Hello, it's July 12th, 2012, Happy Dog Farm, and I'm doing a repair on my electric fence. I'm doing this in macro mode, hopefully to show you some detail. I'm using my El Cheapo fence tester, which is really probably better used at night anyway, and it's showing that the fence is running at 5,000 volts right now, which I have to tell you, regrettably from personal experience, really smarts. Anyway, it's got little neon doers in there that flash with each pulse, and it's so dim that I can't see it right now. But like I said, it was cheap and it does work. It's working for me. Now, this is what we're fixing. Right here, the fence installer looped the high voltage line beneath a ground wire, and it burnt through. And I really don't know what you can see in this picture. I'm sorry. And I'm using my handy dandy, had it in my pocket, chapstick container to keep my lips from getting sunburnt. But there's actually, and again, a detail I don't know if you can see, it's burnt away some of that high tensile steel wire, and it certainly smoked some of the insulation and left it on that high tensile wire. Now, I'm going to try and do this without getting hurt, so I'm going to put the strap on my hand, and I'm going to start pulling this back. That scared me too. You hear that? You might not be able to see that. Oh, you saw that one. And the point behind it, oh, stop it. See, now I can't get the stop. I'm going to try and move that wire a little bit for now. I must be nuts. Anyway. When I do the repair, what I'm going to do is put a new side clamp here and go around that wire on the other side of the fence. The other side of this. And what I think they did is they just didn't think. And then go back down to here. So it's not pinched inside of there where it can rub through from wind and life and chafe through the insulation. It's going to look just like this, so I'm not going to actually show you any video of that. Now, that wire, that dark wire, that has high voltage insulation on it. You buy that at a fencing supply place. Your regular household wire is not good enough. I was able to touch that wire with the charger running and not get bit. That's really kind of stupid, but I didn't get bit. If you use anything less, you get that through you, and it really stings. One other point about this whole thing is that this is a really, this is a really good reason to periodically walk your fence line. I keep mine pretty well mowed on both sides because that helps to fend off the deer a little bit, they tell me. But you want to walk your fence line and listen. While the fencer's running, listen for it. I turn mine up to the high pulse rate so I'm not likely to overhear it, and listen for those arcs. Mark the post somehow so you find them, go back, turn off the charger, fix them. It's hard on the charger, and you're certainly diminishing the bite of the fence that you want to use to intimidate the deer. So just my little lesson learned about fences. It's really getting on my nerves, so I gotta go. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.